Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston and we're giving you an update on the construction of the Palace Tower. Now that's the building straight ahead and it's going to be 12 floors. It's going to be a mixed-use development. Now it's on the site of the old Palace Theatre in Jamaica. As you know, the theatres in Jamaica were very popular back in the day, but for some reason I guess technology passed by. Technology was upgraded and theaters aren't as popular. You don't find as many of them as possible. For instance, in New Kingston, you had the New Kingston theaters sitting down on prime real estate. They're not operating anymore, but that real estate is probably the most valuable in Jamaica right now because it's New Kingston, acres upon acres of land being used as parking lots. And the same thing was down here. This was where the Palace Theatre used to be, and it closed many years ago, and it was just an abandoned building. So this project is now being done here. And the good thing is they demolished the old structure and are putting up a modern 12-floor building, a tower basically. And this is one of many developments taking place in downtown Kingston. And I must say, it's moving quickly. The construction is moving quickly. The first 3 floors is going to be parking. I think there'll be 4 floors of parking, 3 above level and 1 below. So that yellow building or that yellow wall you're looking at is what's left of the old Palace Theatre development. And behind it, you can see the lower floors. That's the parking. They kind of are bigger than the tower. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Look like they have reached 5 floors for the 6 floors for the actual units. So basically, that would be 3 and 6. Looks like they've gone 9 floors, 8 or 9 floors, because you can see the parking structure right above the yellow building, and you can see it's parking because it's like an open area. All right, we will keep you guys updated on this development, and it's being done at the corner of South Camp Road and Victoria Avenue. Very central location. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Oh, before we go, it was mentioned that PriceSmart would be in this structure, but it's not. PriceSmart is being built up the road, probably less than a minute drive. Actually, that's not even a minute. Walking distance from this development, you can reach PriceSmart. It's the PriceSmart Wholesale Club is being built, probably 10 structures further up this road, very close. Sabina Park is also is on this road. A lot of major developments taking place in this area. But PriceSmart won't be in this development, in this building. It's at a separate location further up the road. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.